Hello, Ikria's friend. Today I will show you how to make red larva. The last I shared about yellow larva, now red larva. We need red yarn, white yarn, yellow yarn, and black yarn. Hook size 3 millimeters. Okay, we begin for make body. Round 1, make single crochet, 6 single crochet in magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slip stitch. Round 2, make 2 single crochet every stitches, and we will have 12 single crochet for total. Round 3, make single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Round 4, make single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet, 2 single crochet, again single crochet, single crochet, 2 single crochet. Follow this pattern until the end, and we will have 24 single crochet. Next, round 5 to round 12, we just make single crochet every stitches, and we will have 24 single crochet. Okay, before we make around 13, we change color. Yellow, and make slip stitch, and then make single crochet round 13 to 15. Yellow yarn, the last around 13, and slip stitch. Follow this pattern until round 15. Chain yarn again, red yarn, and then slip stitch, chain 1, around 16 to 18, we just make single crochet every stitches, and we'll have 24 single crochet. Okay, chain again, yellow yarn, slip stitch, around 19 to 20, we just make single crochet every stitches, single crochet, single crochet. Okay, change your yarn when you make round 21 slip stitch. Now we begin round 21 single crochet 3 stitches. Slip stitch, round 22 single crochet 2 times and then decrease, single crochet 2 times and decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 18 single crochet for total. Round 23 we just make single crochet 3 stitches. We will have 18 single crochet for total. And fill the crown. Okay, next round 24. Make single crochet in the first stitch and then decrease. Single crochet, decrease. Follow this pattern until the end and we will have 12 single crochet for total. And the last round 25, make a decrease until the end. Decrease until the end. Okay, I finished for make body. Eyes, make single crochet in magic ring 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slip stitch, round 2, make single crochet in the first stitch and next stitch 2 single crochet. We will have 9 single crochet for total. Round 3, make single crochet in the first stitch and next stitch single crochet again, next stitch 2 single crochet. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Round 4, we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 12 single crochet for total. Make 2 eyes. Lower eyelid. Round 1, make 13 chains. Round 2, make single crochet every stitches and we will have 12 single crochet. Chain 1, turn your work and then make single crochet again, single crochet every stitches, 12 single crochet for total. We have finished For lower eyelid, upper eyelid, make 30 chains for round 1, and then for round 2 make single crochet 11 times, and then 3 single crochet in a loop 12, 2, 3, and then make single crochet 10 times, and the last stitch make 3 single crochet, slip stitch, around 3 to around 5 we just make single crochet every stitches. We will have 27 single crochet for total. We will see the crown for eyes. Okay, we sew part by part. Okay, I finished for sew eyes, and then lower eyelid, and sew every side. Sew every side too. 6 single crochet 5 times. Slip stitch in magic ring and then make again 6 chains, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then make a single crochet 5 times. Slip stitch again in the magic ring and then make chains 1 2 3 4 5 6 and make single crochet again 5 times and slip stitch. Cut your yarn. Okay, I finished for make a red larva. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget for subscribe, like and share. See you next with another my tutorial.